K3. I believe you're doing good. Welcome to Healthcare and Environment. We've been learning about plants, and last time we discussed about parts of a plant. But before I begin my today's lesson, let us sing this short song together.
Plant parts.
Do you know the parts of plants, the parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow? The roots, they hold the plant in place, the plant in place, the plant in place. The roots, they hold the plant in place, soak up food and water too. Make them grow and grow. The stem moves water up the plant, up the plant, up the plant. The stem moves water up the plant, bring water to the leaves. The leaves soak up the rays of the sun, the rays of the sun, the rays of the sun. The leaves soak up the rays of the sun and help the plant make food.
Wow, that was good. Now let us go back to our today's lesson, which is parts of a plant. Last time we discussed about parts of the plant, and we said that we have 6 main parts of a plant, of which we mentioned them as the roots, the stem, the branch, the leaf, the fruit, and the flower. But our last lesson, we discussed about only 3 parts, which were the roots, and the stem, and the leaf. Today, we are going to deal with the remaining 3 parts that we did not discuss about. And those 3 parts, one of them is the fruit. We eat the fruit part of a plant, and they taste differently, and so I'm going to show you a picture, a drawn picture of a fruit. This is a drawn picture of an avocado fruit. It is so tasty, just like other fruits. Let me see you a real picture of a fruit. I have a fruit here, so that is a real picture of a fruit as part of a plant. Let us see another part of the plant. Another part of the plant is the branch. In our plant here, we have the branch here. It is branching from the stem. So, I'm going to show you a drawn picture of a branch. This is a drawn picture of a branch. You can see it is branching from the stem. So this is the branch, having the leaves and the fruit. Let me show you a branch. This is a branch. This is also another branch. And branch is mostly covered with the leaves and the fruits. Let us go to the last part of the plant that we've been learning about. That is the 6th part, but in our today's lesson it is going to be the 3rd part, and it is going to be the flower. When you look at this plant, we have the flower up here. So let me show you a drawn picture of the flower. This is the drawn picture of the flower. The flowers comes from come with different colors, and they smell so good. Well, I managed to pick some of the flowers. Okay, these are flowers. They're white flowers. The one that I showed you in the drawn picture was red in color. This one, but these ones are white. Now, let us go through the 6 main parts that we see. I said the first one was the roots. The second one, the stem. The third one, the branch. The fourth one, we have the leaf. The fifth one is the fruit. And the sixth one is the flower. So, we've come to the end of today's lesson. Thank you for listening. Make sure you submit your activities to our school. Thank you.